Welcome to our channel. Today we're tackling how to fix Charles Schwab login failures step by step, so you can get back to managing your investments without hassle. Welcome to our channel. Many users face login failures with Charles Schwab, and it can be frustrating, especially when you need quick access to your account. Let me guide you through a professional and thorough step-by-step process. To fix these issues, first step, always check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable and secure connection because poor connectivity often causes login problems. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, stored data can interfere with logging into sites, including your Schwab account. Open your browser settings, clear cache cookies. Then restart the browser. Third step, update your browser. Make sure you are using the latest version supported by Charles Schwab, as outdated browsers might not support security protocols properly. Alternatively, you can try logging in from a different browser or the official mobile app. Fourth, reset your password. If the login keeps failing, go to the Schwab login page, click on the Forgot Password link, and follow the verification steps to create a new secure password. Sometimes password issues cause login blocks. Also, ensure your username is correctly entered without typos. Fifth, check if there are any account alerts or restrictions. Sometimes login might fail if Schwab has placed a temporary hold on accounts, or if there are security flags. Log in using another device or check your email for any notifications from Schwab regarding your account. 6. Enable two-factor authentication. If you haven't yet, this will improve your account's security and might help in bypassing certain login restrictions. Schwab usually sends a verification code to your phone or email during login, which adds an extra layer of protection. 7th, if none of these steps work, contact Charles Schwab customer support directly. Use their phone number or live chat support available on the official website. Explain your problem clearly. They are equipped to resolve specific account or system issues. They can also tell you if there is a wider system outage impacting logins. Finally, always keep your app and browser updated regularly to avoid future login issues. And consider using the Schwab mobile app for a more smooth, secure experience. Handling login failures can be stressful, but following these detailed steps will get you back on track quickly and securely. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful guides and support.